Modus operandi in English, in simple English, it means method, a procedure, nakagawian, practice, modus. Tama po ba?
Objection, Your Honor. It's misleading because there's no the witness testified that she does not remember.
No. Counsel, we both know modus has a secondary and double meaning. You can always use. Is this the standard operating procedure that you followed when you were SDO in both Davao and under the OVP?
They had to submit that to COA, the acknowledgement. That's why I'm asking this question again.
Argumentative misleading, Your Honor.
I think you've established your point, counsel,
Yes, Honor.
both
I
to the
will move
senator judges and to the public. It is argumentative.
I will
move on to your next point.
Dahil 17th day ho na impeachment trial ni Vice President Sara Duterte, 450 million ho nagagastos galing sa kaban ng sambayanan. Ano napapatunayan? Fishing expedition pa rin ho mapahanggang sa ngayong mga panahon na to. Isang like at isang subscribe, masaya na ho tayo dyan, at sa mga gusto sumali sa ating community, yung join button nandiyan lang ho sa baba. Rekta na ho tayo dito kay Atty. Likutan.
Po kayo.
Tuloy
morning
ito,
po,
tuloy
sir.
ito.
How are you?
Continuation to
Medyo
continuation.
kabado po.
Kabado pa rin. Now, let's continue. Now, nasabi mo during the previous hearing na na-withdraw yung 125 million pesos in cold cash sa isang araw lang. Di po ba yung rason doon that you had to withdraw 125 million pesos in one day on December 20, 2022, kasi nga hindi na siya magagamit ng opisina nyo from after December 31, 2022. Di po ba?
Ang pagkakaalam ko po na yung confidential fund for 2022 dapat po magamit po within the year 2022.
Until December 31, tama po ba? Now, by the way, nasabi mo na you put yung 125 million pesos sa 4 na traveling bags. Tama po ba?
Tama po, Your Honor.
And then, saan galing itong mga traveling bags na ito?
Yung naimungkahi ko po yun kay Ma'am BP Sara at saka kay Asik Ortonio.
Yan ho ba? Yan ho ba ang mukhang mangnenenok ng pera na sambayan ng Pilipino? Kaya dinala ho yan galing sa Davao kasi ho trustworthy yan. At base ho sa nakikita ko dito sa Ale, wala ho siyang Rolex. Hindi ho kasing rangya ng buhay ni Luistro ang buhay nitong si Gina Acosta. Yun ho ang ating nakikita dito. And
then, naisabi ko din yun kay Colonel La Chica.
Okay. Naimungkahin nyo kay VP Sara yung 4 na traveling bags. Yung tanong, ano ba yung naging tugon ng Vice President pagkatapos mong imungkahi sa kanya yung 4 na traveling bags na ito?
Nagsabi lang po siya na okay.
Okay.
Tapos, yung kay Sir La Chica po,
Kay Ma'am Sara lang po. Okay, VP Sara lang muna, ha? Yun lang yung tanong. Now, Ma'am, hindi po ba na nung araw na iyon, nagpunta kayo sa bangko, dala-dala na yung 4 na traveling bags. Tama po ba?
yes, Your Honor.
4 lang yung dinala nyo, di ba?
Opo.
Now, ito yung tanong now. Kasyang-kasya yung 125 million pesos into 4 traveling bags. Yung tanong is ganito. Paano nyo po nalaman na saktong-sakto sa 4 na traveling bags, yung 125 million pesos, paano nyo nalaman?
Objection, Your Honor. The question It's misleading. The witness has not testified as to the nasaktong-sakto yung bags.
But Your Honor,
Overruled. Witness testified that it fit and she brought 4 traveling bags and that they brought out the 4 traveling bags from the bank with the assistance of the security guards of the bank. Witness may answer. Pakisagot po, Ma'am Gina. Paano nyo nalaman na 4 na bag ang kailangan nyo dalhin para sa 125 million?
Ano po? Gitansya ko lang po.
Estimate lang.
Opo, estimate.
Hindi pa po nyo yun nagawa sa talambuhay ninyo.
Wala po, sir. Dili pa po. Wala.
Please proceed, Counsel.
okay, now, hindi po ba, this is a probing question, Your Honor, hindi po ba na saktong-sakto yung 4 na bags dinala nyo? Kasi po, na-experience nyo na yung pag-i-encash ng around the same amount, 500 million pesos, yung panahon na kayo ay SDO ng Davao City. Tama po ba?
Objection, Your Honor. Asked and answered, Your
Your
Honor.
Honor, this is a probing question.
Asked and answered, Counsel, she said hindi
Pag nagsasalita tong si itong si ang tawag dito, itong si Ligutan, nakala mo yung talagang ang galing. Oh, yun norte na yun naman. Parang nagsusumbong lagi. Ganun ang datingan eh. Yung tono niya parang nagsusumbong.
pa. Try to elicit a contrary answer from her another way.
We will, Your Honor. Now, Madam Witness, hindi po ba na para sa taong 2019, okay, 2019, ma'am ha, yung Davao City, under sa pamumuno ng Mayor at the time, Sara Duterte, in 2019, ma'am, binigyan din ng 460 million pesos in confidential funds yung Davao City. Now, before you answer that, I'm showing you an infographic, okay, of the yearly confidential funds allocated to Davao City from 2016 to 2022. Now, ito yung tanong now. Hindi po ba in 2019, yung allocated na confidential funds para sa Davao City is 460 million pesos. Naaalala niyo po ba yan?
Hindi ko maalala, Your Honor.
For 2020, 460 million pesos din yung na-allocate to Davao City as confidential funds. Naaalala niyo po ba yan?
Hindi ko maalala, Your Honor.
Okay.
Kasi hindi po ganyan ang aking na-withdraw as SDO po sa Davao City.
Alright. Ma'am, so yung tanong, hindi yung how much yung na-withdraw nyo. Yung tanong is, how much yung na-allocate.
Hindi ko maalala, Your
Alright,
Honor.
sige. For 2021, hindi mo rin maalala na yung na-allocate na amount as confidential funds sa Davao City is 460 million pesos. Hindi mo rin maalala yan, ma'am?
Hindi ko na maalala, Your Honor. Dugay na, tagal naman kasi yun, Your Honor.
Alright.
Tapos may edad na po ako, Your Honor.
Anyways, okay. That is your answer.
Palakpakan natin to si...
For 2022,
Ito si Ma'am Gina
so ma'am,
Acosta.
sinasabi nyo? Okay, what about for 2022? Before you transfer to the OVP, okay, yung Davao City nabigyan din ng 460 million pesos in confidential funds, 2022. Hindi nyo rin maalala yan.
Hindi ko maalala,
Yes,
Your
ma'am.
Honor, kung ilan, mao ba na o yan ba ang confidential fund, Your Honor?
Is it because, sabi mo, sa edad nyo, hindi nyo na maalala, ma'am? Di po ba?
Contributor po ang edad ko, Your Honor. At saka, dugay na po na, Your Honor.
Okay, now.
Matagal na, Your Honor.
By Dugay, the witness said matagal na. 2022. 2022. 4 na taon pa lang.
Hey, matagal na yan
Nakalipas.
ha. Kahit ako tanungin mo ko yung 2022 kung anong ginawa ko dun sa pondo na ganito, saan ko dinala pondo na ganito. Di ko na rin alam. O talaga,
I'm
oo.
not yet done. I'm not yet done.
Kindly
And-
let the council finish.
This is a probing question. And you are telling this public, ma'am, hindi nyo na maalala yung amount na binigay sa OVP na nangyari lang 4 na taon pa lang.
Objection, Your Honor.
That's a probing
Ask and
question.
answered and argumentative, Your Honor.
He's trying to impeach, I believe, the witness with
Yes.
respect to the earlier answer that she gave, which she can do, counsel, given that she has been declared by the court as a hostile witness. Witness may answer. Objection overruled.
Hindi nyo maalala, ma'am, 2022?
Ano po yun, sir? I'm confused.
Confused.
Nalibog ko, I'm confused kung ang pangutanan ni mo sa Davao ba
Davao
o ang
City.
vice-presidente
Davao
ni Ma'am
City po.
Sara.
Before po kayo na-transfer from Davao City to the OVP in 2022, yung budget for 2022 confidential funds is 460 million pesos. You don't also remember that.
Dili ko kaya nomdom, sir.
You don't remember that. All in all, from 2019, 2022, a simple math will tell us 1,840,000 pesos. Almost 2 billion confidential funds sa Davao City binigay. Hindi nyo rin maalala yung total na yan. Tama po ba? Now, last hearing, August 17, 2026, nasabi nyo that you released 125 million pesos to Colonel La Chica kasi yun yung instruction sa iyo ng head of agency. Now, to refresh your memory, here is a short clip of that hearing before the Committee on Good Government. Play the video, please. Madam Witness, I'm showing you now a portion of the Joint Circular 6.1.1. Show the circular, please. And you will be aided, if you may, with a copy of the TSN through the assistance of, of the Joint Circular through Attorney Jay. Now, hindi po ba, ma'am, nakasulat sa 6.1.1 ng Joint Circular 2015-01, sinasabi dyan, under no circumstance funds it be used for liquidation of the previous cash advance o ito or be transferred from one accountable officer to another. It's there. Tama po ba?
Sandali lang, sir.
Mm-mm.
Tanaw pa na ako ang page.
Opo.
Page
Second sentence po ng 6.1.1. Ulitin ko. Under no circumstance shall confidential funds in particular be used or be transferred from one accountable, wala dyan, it refers to officer to another. Alam nyo itong provision na ito, tama po ba?
alang po.
Alam nyo yan.
Nawalan na
Despite,
sound
knowing
sa'yo.
that, you still binigay mo pa rin sa isang security officer yung pera despite knowing 6.1.1. Tama po ba?
Gidisburse po dako sa security officer, Your Honor.
This is the first time we're hearing that. Now, let's go to 6.1.6 of the joint circular. Okay? 6.1.6. Nakasulat dyan, ma'am. Confirm. No transfer of funds, appropriation through cash advances, or any form of payment from one agency to another for purposes of confidential intelligence activities shall be allowed. So yung kanina, hindi po pwede yung pag-transfer from one accountable officer to another, worse, sa hindi accountable officer. And then you will confirm, based on 6.1.6, hindi rin po pwede yung pag-transfer ng confidential funds from one agency to another. Of course, alam nyo rin yung provision na iyan. Tama po ba?
Opo, Your Honor.
And despite knowing that, pangalawang provision na bawal yung pag-transfer, binigay nyo pa rin kay Colonel Lachica yung confidential funds. Tama po ba?
I-disburse ko po kay Colonel Lachica, Your Honor.
Disburse now,
Release.
this time, the term you are using is disburse.
Disburse
That's
or
interesting.
release.
Now, Colonel Lachica is the ground commander of the Vice President's Special Protection Group. Tama po ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, now, and then etong, sorry, BPSPG ay isang unit under ng Armed Forces of the Philippines. Tama po ba?
Siya po, unit po yon sa Office of the Vice President, Your Honor.
Oh,
Ang BP is PGI, Vice Presidential Security Protection Group of
okay.
the Vice President, Your Honor.
Okay, now, hindi po ba the fact
Perfect talaga itong si Digutan dito sa trabaho na to. Yung mga side comment niya, oh, Your Honor, please. Yung gaganon siya, no? Yung tipong pagka naririnig ng taong bayan, parang, kung nga naman, ba't mo kinokontra siya Digutan? Best friend niya nitong si Martin Romualdez at nitong si Jude Asidre. Diba?
remains na si Colonel Lachica ay isang career officer pa rin ng Armed Forces of the Philippines. Tama po ba? Sundalo, si Colonel Lachica under the office of the Armed Forces of the Philippines. Tama po ba?
Member po siya, Your Honor.
Okay.
Official po siya, Your Honor.
And then the last hearing, hindi mo masagot-sagot yung napakasimpleng tanong kung empleyado ba or hindi. Si Colonel Lachica.
Objection, Your Honor,
Wait,
argumentative.
that's a basis. That's a
Wait,
COVID
wait,
question.
wait. Yan, nung una ko naririnig niya, parang, ang husay ito ang husay ito si Ligutan eh. Tapos pagka naano siya, nasusupalpal siya ng nito si presiding officer, nananahimik siya. Alam niya talagang nagpapakagat lang siya doon sa tono ng pagsasalita niya, paano niya sagutin si presiding officer, paano siya mag-react doon sa mga objection, di ba?
The witness already answered. Just
Wit-
answered
wit-
rather.
Witness may answer. Kindly answer the question, Ma'am Gina.
Wala na ko ito nasagot, Your Honor, kay dili man ko nagtrabaho sa HR, Your Honor.
Anyways, okay, thank you. Now, Madam Witness, hindi po ba as the Special Disbursing Officer, SDO, kayo po you posted yung tinatawag na fidelity bond with the Bureau of Treasury. Tama po ba, Ms. Acosta?
Tama po, Your Honor.
At hindi rin po ba naalala nyo that you admitted na kailangan kayong mag-post ng bond dahil posibleng mawala nyo ang pagkalaki-laking pera. Tama po ba? To aid your memory, we will show you transcript of stenographic notes of that 2024 November 25 hearing before the Committee on Good Government of the House of Representatives. Show the TSN, please. Tanong, Ms. Acosta, hindi po ba kayo ay natakot magbitbit ng ganitong kalaking halaga na pera considering the possibility na baka ma-hold up kayo? Remember, you are covered by a fidelity bond, and one of the reasons is the possibility of losing this huge amount of money. Do you remember having answered that?
Opo, Your Honor.
You will agree na yung rason ba't kailangan mag-post ng fidelity bond yung isang accountable officer like you para maprotektahan yung pera ng bayan. Ibig sabihin, kung mawala yung pera, at least, may bond na po pwedeng makarecover yung bansa. Tanong, si Colonel Lachica ba nag-post
Nako,
ng
hindi na.
fidelity bond or hindi mo rin maalala?
Ano, sir?
Okay, I will repeat the question. Sinabi natin yung rason ba't kailangan ng fidelity bond para maprotektahan yung pera pinaghirapan ng taong bayan. Tanong, si Colonel La Chica ba na pinagbigyan mo ng 125 million pesos plus 375 million pesos or a whopping total of 500 million pesos? Tanong ng bayan, Gina Acosta, si Colonel La Chica ba ay nakapag-post ng fidelity bond?
Objection, Your Honor.
Oh, what's the objection?
Oh, what's the objection?
Misleading, Your Honor. I believe the witness has only testified as regards to 125 million.
Okay.
But there's no testimony yet as regards the amount mentioned by the counsel for the prosecution, Your Honor.
I will. Can I respond to that, Your Honor, please? I do
Kindly
remember,
respond, Attorney Ligutan. He has a point.
I do remember. Okay. I do remember this witness testifying. That's the same thing they did for the 3 quarters of 2023. I do remember that. It's
And
in
the question
record.
is quite simple. Tama ba yung tanong, Attorney Ligutan? Sa pagkakaalam niyo po, may bond po ba? May fidelity bond po ba si Colonel La Chica, tulad niyo, na SDO? Bonded po ba siya, ma'am?
Si security officer na si Colonel La Chica, na siya amo ang commanding officer sa BPSPG, dili po siya banded, Your Honor. Pero ang accountable pa rin, Your Honor, ako gihapon, Your Honor. I am still the accountable person, Your Honor. That's why po, Your Honor, ako po ang gumawa ng liquidation, Your Honor.
That is correct, ma'am. You
Alright.
have said that.
Yeah.
Attorney
Okay,
Ligutan,
so-
your witness.
Now, hindi po ba, ma'am, na para sa 3 quarters ng 2023, this is, I'll break the question down. You also gave 125 billion pesos para sa first quarter ng 2023 kay Colonel La Chica. Di po ba?
Nag-release po ako, Your Honor.
To La Chica.
Opo, Your Honor.
For the second quarter, 125 million pesos to Colonel La Chica din. Unbonded si La Chica. You gave 125 million pesos to Colonel La Chica. Tama po ba?
Tama po, Your Honor. Kay
Tama.
siya po ang amuang security officer nga gitalaga ni Vice President Sara
Mhm.
Duterte para mag-implement anang mga confidential activities, Your Honor.
Alright.
Kay
now.
siya man ang naay
sir.
access, Your Honor.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. And for the third quarter of 2023, another 125 million pesos in cold cash to Colonel La Chica. Tama po ba?
Tama po, Your Honor.
Tama. So in total, kalahating bilyong piso na pera ng taong bayan
Naku, yan na.
binigay mo
Naku, yan na.
sa isang unbonded person.
Sinanswered, Your Honor.
The counsel is answering.
Witness may answer. Counsel is seeking emphasis and clarification.
Nirelease ko po kay Colonel La Chica, Your Honor, kasi siya po ang tinalaga ng Vice Presidente na siya po ang security officer, Your Honor. Siya po ang may alam, siya po ang eksperto, Your Honor, sa pagpatupad ng mga project o program regarding sa operation ng confidential activities, Your
I will ask
Honor.
this question, Your Honor. Hindi po ba, ma'am, na sa iba't ibang tanong ko, paulit-ulit na yung sagot nyo kasi nga siya yung may alam sa pag-implement ng confidential activities. Hindi nyo rin po ba napansin na sa mga iba't ibang question ko sa iba't ibang punto, parang iisa na lang po yung sagot nyo? Napansin nyo po ba? Hindi.
Karon, Your Honor.
Yes.
Yun lang ang sagot ko, Your
Yes,
Honor.
okay. Now, let's go to this tree planting activity, ma'am. Sinabi nyo, pareho sa good governance program, yung socio-economic program, kino-cover din yung tinatawag ninyo na tree planting activities. Tama po ba?
Your Honor.
Ma'am, ganito po ma'am, no? Napakasimple ng tanong. Kung gusto nyo pong mag-explica ng sagot nyo, pwede po sa pamamaraan po ng abogado ng kabila. Napakasimple po ng tanong. Para sa socio-economic program, ng Office of the Vice President, isa sa mga activities na pinaggamitan ng confidential funds, sinasabi nyo, siguro pag-secure sa mga tree planting activities. Hindi po ba? Yes or no?
Ang tree planting po ay kasali po sa pinaggastusan ng confidential fund.
Mhm.
Before po gawin ang tree planting, ang aming security officer, Your Honor, mag-conduct po sila ng surveillance, Your Honor.
Yes,
Kung
ma'am.
safe ba?
Yes, ma'am.
So,
Tama po, tama po.
Patapusin mo. Ito talaga si Ligutan, oo.
Action, Your Honor. Part na sa
Okay.
confidential fund, Your
So
Honor.
sinasabi nyo, importante yung confidential funds para masigurado yung security ng Vice President. Tama po ba?
Naku, naputol ho. Naputol, nawawala yung sounds para sinasabotay pagka nagsasalita na itong si Ma'am Gina
Plant
Acosta.
dito sa
Oo, yung sinasabotay talaga eh. Oh.
Now, hindi po ba noong August 13, ilang araw pa lang, yung nakakaraan, 2026, yung Vice President nag-tree planting activity in Masibay Integrated School in Nunungan, Lanao del Norte, as can be shown in these news reports. Tanong, 2026. Ito yung tanong now. May confidential funds ba yung Office of the Vice President sa taong ito, 2026?
wala po, Your
Okay,
Honor.
wala. And despite that, despite the absence of confidential funds, nakapag-tree planting with God's blessing, nakapag-tree planting yung Vice President, nagligtas ng walang untoward incident. Tama po ba?
Irrelevant, Your Honor.
That's very much relevant, Your Honor. If I may, I can explain that.
It's part of the liquidation report of the
This
confidential funds, Council. Why is it irrelevant?
is for 2026, Your Honor. The question pertains to an activity in 2026, Your Honor, which is not covered by the articles of impeachment, Your Honor.
This is 2026, Council?
Yes, Your Honor. 2026, the point is, there was no confidential funds allocated and the Vice President was able to conduct one. Sinasabi ng, if I may, Your Honor.
I get your point, Council.
Yes.
I think Council was able to explain Attorney Linden. Yes, witness may answer. Ang punto lamang naman, Attorney Ligutan, correct me if I'm wrong, is kasama sa confidential funds na pinang-liquidate nila, yung tree planting, di umano, libreng sakay, yung mga enumeration nila, bagaman hindi ito sa cloud ng taong sakop ng impeachment, gusto mo lang patunayan na nagawa pa rin to kahit walang confidential funds.
Crystal clear. Yes, sir.
Yes, witness will answer if she knows. If she knows, because she's the SDO for the confidential funds.
Hindi ko alam, Your Honor.
Hindi mo alam. Hindi mo alam. Now, going back, yung nabigay mo yung 125 million pesos to Colonel La Chica, binigyan ka rin niya ng tinatawag niyong list of expenditures. Tama po ba? And then to aid your memory, ma'am, kasi nga sabi mo, hindi mo maalala yung mga nangyari 4 years ago, I'll show you. Transcript of stenographic notes. November 25, 2024. Or even before okay. Yan. Naalala niyo, ma'am, na binigyan din kayo ni Colonel La Chica yung tinatawag niyong list of objects of expenditures and request for funding. Hindi po ba?
List of object of expenditure po, Your Honor.
Yes. Ano ba itong mga objects of expenditures na ito? The Colonel Lachica, did you ask him to sign an acknowledgement receipt or any voucher na magpapatunay na tinanggap niya galing sa'yo yung 125 million pesos?
Gipa-receive na ko siya, Your Honor.
Yung tanong is, did you ask him to sign an acknowledgement receipt? Yes or no?
Gipa-receive na ko siya, Your Honor.
Being evasive. The
Um,
question is so simple.
Di ba kasama po sa liquidation report niyo yung mga acknowledgement receipt na sinubmit? Iba't ibang pangalan, di po ba? Opo, di ba? Yung iba't ibang pangalan. So alam niyo po ang kahulugan na acknowledgement receipt. Ang tanong, may acknowledgement receipt bang pinirmahan si Colonel Lachica para sa binigay niyong 125 million?
Ang nalibog ko, I'm sorry, I'm confused.
No.
Paghatag na ko kay Colonel Lachica
Pagbigay niyo kay Colonel Lachica,
ng 125M, gipa-receive na ko siya, Your Honor. Did sa objects of expenditure nga gihatag niya sa ko, dito na nako siya gipa-receive, Your Honor.
Ma'am, naniniwala akong kaya niyong gamitin ang wikang Pilipino rito. Nung binigay niyo yung 125 million sa kanya, pina-receive niyo sa kanya, ibig sabihin may pinirmahan siyang papel na tinanggap niya yung 125 million mula sa inyo.
Opo, Your Honor.
Okay.
Aba,
Tanong,
continue, Counsel.
ano yung dokumentong iyan kung saan makikita natin, ma'am, na sinasabi ni Colonel Lachica, pinirmahan niya, na tinanggap niya yung 125 million pesos galing sa'yo?
Internal document namin, Your Honor. Doon po sa object of expenditures.
Okay, ma'am.
Dito na ko siya, doon ko siya pina-receive, Your Honor.
Okay, now, ano yung nakasulat sa object of expenditure na yan na magpapatunay sa sinasabi mo ngayon na tinanggap ni Colonel Lachica yung 125 million pesos galing sa'yo?
Gitatakan ako og receive, Your Honor. Tapos sa receive, sa below sa receive nga word, below the receive na word, doon siya nag-sign, Your Honor.
Nang anong sinay niya?
Gipirmahan niya. Ang
Yun.
pirma niya, Your Honor.
Madam Witness, so yung sinasabi mo now, tinatanong ka, ano yung pruweba mo na natanggap ni Colonel Lachica yung 125 million pesos galing sa'yo? Yung sinasabi mo now, and it's plain to see, tinatakan mo yung object of expenditure. Tama po ba?
Opo.
And then sa ibabaw niyan, pinirmahan ni Colonel Lachica. Tama po ba?
Opo.
Tanong, walang nakasulat na 125 million pesos yung natanggap ni Colonel Lachica galing sa'yo sa araw na yan,
Naa, Your Honor.
sa list of expenditures.
Naa, Your Honor.
Okay, anyways.
Meron po, Your Honor. Kasi ang nakalagay po sa object of expenditures, ito po yung purchase of information, amount, then purchase of reward, amount, then ano pa yung mga expenses, then total 125M.
Yes.
So, doon ko siya pina-receive, Your Honor.
Ma'am,
Pero yung dokumento yun, Your Honor, is internal po namin, Your
anyways,
Honor.
I will probe deeper. Sa list of expenditure na kasulat doon, ito yung paggagamitan, tsaka ito yung nakalaan na pera. Tama po ba?
Meron ganyan.
Yun lang. Yun lang. Ano yung paggagamitan, tsaka ano yung nakalaan na pera? Yun lang. Tama po ba?
Meron pa siyang sentence, paragraph, Your Honor, sa ibabaw.
Na ano?
Di ko ma-memorize
Hindi
na.
mo may memorize.
Di ko maalala. Basta,
Alala.
ang gibutan niya nga, I try ko magtagalog. BP Sara through Gina F. Acosta, SDO. In line with the blah, 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 the following are the proposed expenses for the implementation of confidential activities for calendar year for the fourth quarter 2022. Then yun na.
Yes, ma'am.
Particulars, purchase of information with corresponding amount, blah, blah, blah. Tapos na total 125
Okay.
amount.
Yes, ma'am.
Tapos submitted by La
Mhm.
Chica.
Okay.
So dito sa baba, dito ko na siya pinareceive na nireceive niya yung 125.
Okay now.
Yun.
Kaya nga, yun yung tanong, ma'am. Napakasimple ng tanong, ma'am eh. Paulit-ulit sabi mo, list of expenditures, nakasulat doon. Ito yung paggagamitan, ito yung nakalaan, 125 billion pesos, saka pirma lang ni Colonel La Chica, saka tinatakan mo receipt. Ma'am, you are under oath. Pero sa dokumentong iyan, ma'am, walang naka-indicate doon sa isang napakasimpleng phrase. Tinanggap ko galing kay Gina F. Acosta yung perang 125 million pesos sa araw na iyan na makikita natin, alam ng taong bayan, makikita natin yan sa kahit anong simpleng transaksyon na kung saan may palitan ng kamay sa pera. Wala yan.
Gireceive
Objection,
na yun.
Objection,
I'm
Your Honor.
proving, I'm
Ask and
proving.
answered, Your Honor.
While indeed it was asked and answered, counsel, I think counsel is seeking clarification on this point. It affords the witness an opportunity to clarify her answer too, because she seems to be unsure. So I'll allow it for now, counsel. With your indulgence, Ma'am Gina, pakisagot po yung katanungan ni Attorney Ligutan.
You want me to repeat the question?
Gipa-receive ko siya, Your Honor.
Ayun, exactly. Paulit-ulit po. I think alam po natin.
Pina-receive po at internal yung papel na nagsasabing ni-receive. Hawak niyo po ba yun ngayon? May kopya po ba kayong dala ngayon?
After po nakagawa na po ako ng liquidation, Your Honor, kinuha po ulit ni Security Officer La Chica, Your Honor.
Yung receipt, yung resibo na tinanggap niya yung pera, kinuha niya uli.
Kinuha niya ulit, Your Honor, kasi nakaliquidate naman po ako, Your Honor. Ang base po ng aking liquidation, Your Honor, is yung mga document po na binigay sa akin ni Security Officer after po, matapos po niya ma-implement on the grounds ang mga confidential activities po, Your Honor.
Sorry po, Ma'am Gina, with the permission of counsels, with the indulgence of Attorney Ligutan as well. Nung binigay niya yung 125 million kay Colonel Lachica, may pinirmahan siyang resibo na tinanggap niya yung 125 million. Pribadong dokumento, internal document na opisina niyo. Tama po ba?
Opo, Your Honor.
Nung nakapagbigay siya ng liquidation kung saan at paano niya ginastos yung binigay niyang 125 million, binawi na po niya yung pinirmahan niyang resibo na tinanggap niya yung 125 kasi na-liquidate na po niya.
Nagbigay po siya sa akin, after po Your Honor, nagbigay siya sa akin ng reports na tinatawag po namin na Fund Utilization Report.
Yeah. Pagbigay po niya nun, binawi niya na yung pinirmahan niyang resibo na tinanggap niya yung 125.
Wala pa, Your Honor.
Wala pa.
Kasi aking gitali po, Your Honor, na tama po ba ang kinuha niya na 125, ang binigay, ang nirelease ko sa kanya na 125, tama po ba sa kanyang binigay sa akin na Fund Utilization Report?
Okay, eksakto. Tumama.
Eksakto. So, nakagawa na ako ng accomplishment report based sa Fund Utilization Report na binigay sa akin ni CSO Officer.
Binigay niyo na
Colonel
ba,
Lachica.
sinoli niyo na ba yung resibo sa kanya pagkatapos nun?
After po na tapos ko na aking liquidation, na isubmit po na po sa KUA, sa KUA.
Doon niyo na po sinoli yung...
Kinuha na po niya, Your Honor, kasi nakaliquidate naman po kami, Your
So wala
Honor.
na po sa kamay niyo, nasa kamay na po niya.
Wala na po sa akin, Your Honor.
At ganyan din po ang ginawa niyo sa taong 2023, doon sa tatlong 125. Pagkatapos niya, binigay niya yung pera, pinirmahan niya yung resibong tinanggap niya, pagkatapos niya magbigay ng fund liquidation report at na-liquidate niyo at na-submit niyo na sa COA, kinuha na rin niya yung resibo at wala po kayong kopya.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
I will. Now,
Colonel Igutan, your witness.
hindi po ba at this particular moment, you cannot show any document at this moment, ma'am. I'm narrowing the question, Your Honors. At this moment, wala kayong maipakitang dokumento o anuman na magpapatunay na tinanggap, inacknowledge ni Colonel Lachica yung pagtanggap niya ng 125 million pesos galing sa iyo sa araw na yan, December 20, 2022. Wala. Yes or no?
Objection, Your Honor. Asked and answered, Your Honor.
I'm asking for now.
Actually, asked and answered already.
Yes.
I will have to sustain the objection
Yes,
already,
Honor.
counsel. That is already just for emphasis, and I think the witness has answered it already.
I will continue, Your Honor. Same po sa 3 quarters ng 2023, binibigay mo yung pera sa isang non-accountable officer na hindi bonded. Tsaka hindi ka makakapagpakita, 2023 this time, ng kahit anong dokumento ngayon na magpapatunay na tinanggap nga ni Colonel Lachica yung 375 million pesos in cold cash, pera ng bayan.
Objection, Your Honor.
2023.
Misleading and asked and answered, Your Honor. It's
2023, Your Honor.
it's misleading, Your Honor, because the witness did not make any testimony as regarding the claim that the security officer is not accountable, Your Honor. And it's already asked and answered, Your Honor.
Counsel, I will have to sustain the objection, but on the ground that it is compounded, and if at all it is misleading because the 375 million was not given one time to Colonel Lachica. You
I will
totaled
break
it.
it down, Your Honor, please.
You totaled it for her.
Okay.
Kindly modify.
I will break it
modify.
down. Para naman sa first quarter ng 2023, binigay mo rin 125 billion pesos in cold cash to Colonel Lachica. Tama po ba?
Asked and answered, Your Honor.
I'm breaking it down. Yes or no?
Witness may answer.
Girelease ko po kay security officer kasi siya po ang itinalaga ng aming Vice President, Your Honor, at siya ang nakakaalam paano i-implement ang mga confidential activities, Your Honor.
There you go again. Now, for the first quarter ng 2023, wala ka ring maipakitang any acknowledgement receipt, any document ngayon na magpapatunay na tinanggap ni Colonel Lachica yung 125 million pesos cash galing sa iyo for the first quarter of 2023. Tama po ba?
Objection, Your
Nagpa-receive
Honor.
po
Asked
ako,
and
Your
answered,
Honor.
Your
Your
Honor.
Honor, this is 2023. I'm breaking it down.
Counsel, let the witness answer.
Nagpa-receive po ako, Your Honor.
Ma'am, tanong. May dokumento kayo now na ipapakita in an impeachment trial sa harap ng ating mga senator judges, sa harap ng taong bayan na tinanggap nga ni Colonel Lachica yung 125 million pesos galing sa iyo.
Your Honor, Your Honor,
That's a very clear-
I would have to register a continuing objection to this line of questioning.
Napakasimpleng tanong po, Your Honor.
Considering that it's already asked and answered. Your Honor.
Ngayon,
Counsel, you're on a short leash. I think the witness answered already from the questioning of the presiding officer himself. Although I know and understand it's for emphasis, but only it can only go so far.
yes.
The witness has already answered. So, ma'am, wala po kayong dokumentong hawak dahil nga binawi ni Colonel Lachica. Tama po.
Binawi po niya, Your Honor, pero nakagawa na po ako ng liquidation, Your Honor. Nakasubmit na po kami sa COA, Your Honor. Every time po, meron kaming confidential, Your Honor.
Opo, ma'am.
Nakaliquidate po kami, Your Honor.
Opo, naunawaan ko po
Alright.
yan. Pero klaro lang po na binawi nga po niya kaya wala po kayong kopya.
Yes, Your Honor.
At yan po yung
Pagkatapos.
kinagawian na nyo noong 2022 last quarter, first, second, at third quarter ng 2023.
Yes, Your Honor.
Opo, tama. Okay. Kaya wala po kayong hawak na kahit anong dokumento ngayon dahil na kay Colonel Lachica na at binawi po niya.
Ma'am.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
Ma'am, ito yung tanong now. Ito yung tanong now, ma'am. Hindi po ba kakaiba. Unusual. Na yung acknowledgement receipt, babawiin ng taong pinagbigyan mo ng pera. You don't find it unusual?
Objection, Your Honor, argumentative.
Sustained. Kindly
Yes, Honor.
reform counsel.
In Davao City, prior to 2022, hindi po ba, ma'am, same pa rin yung procedure na ginagawa nyo? Binibigay mo yung confidential funds sa isang security officer, and then sabi mo, may acknowledgement receipt, pero binabawi ng pinagbigyan mo yung acknowledgement receipt, kaya hindi mo hawak. Tama po ba sa Davao City? Practice nyo doon.
I will have to recall, Your Honor, kay matagal na po
Yes,
kasi
okay.
yun.
Ma'am, hindi po ba ito yung nagiging method of procedure? May Latin term po tayo dyan, ma'am, ha?
May,
Method of procedure, ito yung modus operandi nyo, ibibigay yung pera sa isang security officer, hindi banded, tsaka babawiin, sinasabi mo, ng pinagbigyan ng pera ang acknowledgement receipt. Modus operandi in English, in simple English, it means method of procedure, nakagawian, practice, modus. Tama po ba?
Objection, Your Honor.
Nako, di na yan. Ito talaga siligutan. No? Mali naman yun. Kasi pagka modus operandi, ano yun eh, parang merong stigma pagka modus operandi o kung procedure, kung ano man ibig sabihin niyan. Pero nga sa ating, sa ordinary Pilipino, pagka modus operandi, parang racket, parang merong ginagawang krimen, no?
Honor. It's misleading because there's no the witness testified that she does not remember.
No? Counsel, we both know modus has a secondary and double meaning. You can always use. Is this the standard operating procedure that you followed when you were SDO in both
Super
Davao and under the OVP? Ito,
Yes.
ito po ba yung kinagawian ninyong practice at proseso nung kayo po ay SDO ng Davao, kaugnay ng confidential fund, at nung kayo ay SDO ng OVP, na yung pagbibigyan nyo, security officer o sino man, hindi banded, pipirma na acknowledgement receipt, at pag nagbigay na siya ng fund liquidation report, fund utilization report, at nakaliquidate na kayo sa COA, babawi na.
opo, Your Honor.
Opo. Now, let me proceed. Cash disbursement record. You are aware ano yung konsepto ng cash disbursement record or CDR. Let's go to paragraphs 7.1, 7.2. Your Honor, I endeavor to finish this before 12. I promise, Your Honor. 7.1, 7.2, 7.3. Of course, as an SDO, alam mo ano yung konsepto ng cash disbursement record. Alam mo yung konseptong iyan. Di po ba?
Andali.
Attorney J, please assist. That is 7.1, 7.2, 7.3.
Assisting counsels of both parties may approach.
Meron na akong kopya, Your Honor.
Okay, now. What was the address? Sorry, ha? Okay, now. You were supposed to record each invoice, receipt, or voucher individually. Sa isang araw, kailangan nakatala. Sa CDR, okay, lahat ng perang lalabas sa opisina mo as SDO. Tama po ba?
Yes, Your Honor. Meron po
Info.
akong CDR.
Okay, let's go into that. Sinabi mo may CDR ka. Ito yung tanong now. In that CDR, makikita ba dyan na binigay mo yung 125 million pesos kay Colonel La Chica on December 20, 2022?
Yes po, nakalagay po doon, Your Honor, release to security officer,
Okay.
Sir La Chica,
Can we have that?
125.
Do you have a copy?
Hindi ko dinala, Your
Hindi
Honor.
mo dinala. Okay. Good. Now, ma'am, hindi po ba? Ma'am, sinabi mo na yung mga acknowledgement receipt na sabi mo, through the questions of the good presiding officer, pinirmahan, allegedly, ni Colonel La Chica, binawi niya, di po ba? Ma'am, yung tanong, what about yung mga acknowledgement receipts ng mga thousands of recipients? Like Mary Grace Piatos, Andy Lim. Binawi ba nila yung acknowledgement receipt? Yes or no?
I need to clarify the
Oh,
question,
I will
Your Honor.
repeat the question. Sinabi mo, yung pruweba na binigay at tinanggap ni Colonel La Chica yung 125 million pesos. Sinabi mo, yes, na pumirma siya. Pero binawi niya pagkatapos ng liquidation report. Ito yung tanong now. What about yung mga acknowledgement receipts? Mary Grace Piatos, Andy Lim. Binawi ba nila yung acknowledgement receipts or you retained yung mga acknowledgement receipts na yun? You retained, tama po ba?
Yung mga acknowledgement na yun, Your Honor, galing po yun kay
Colonel
ISO
La Chica.
officer. Oh. Tapos, Your Honor, yan po ay hiningi po ng COA. Kaya nasubmit na po lahat ang mga acknowledgement, Your Honor, na galing yung
Mhm.
mga tao na naka-receive o yung pinaggastusan po ni Colonel La Chica doon sa ground po, Your Honor, habang gi-implement po ang confidential operation or activities, Your
Para
Honor.
ma-submit nyo sa COA. Yun yung sabi nyo, di ba?
Kailangan po yun, Your
Yun,
Honor.
ma'am. Kaya, Your Honor, with the court's indulgence, I will ask this question again. Yung binawi ni Colonel La Chica, yung acknowledgement receipt, hindi nyo po ba naisip na, teka muna, Colonel La Chica, oh wait, I'm not done, counsel. Teka muna, kailangan ko i-submit sa COA. So, of course, I will not give this to you, Colonel La Chica. Kasi nga, ano yung pruweba ko na tinanggap mo yung pera galing sa akin? Hindi mo ba naisip yan, Gina Acosta?
Objection,
Yeah.
Your Honor. Argumentative, Your Honor.
Your Honor, this is premised on her answer a while ago that she said because they had to submit that to COA, the acknowledgement. That's why I'm asking this question again.
Argumentative misleading,
think
Your
I-
Honor.
I think you've established your point,
Yes,
counsel,
Your Honor.
both
I
to
will
the
move on.
senator, judges, and to the public. It is argumentative.
I will
move
move on.
on to your next point.
Move
counsel.
on. Eh, sinasabi ko sa iyo eh. Argumentative, move on na.
Much obliged. Hindi po ba obligasyon mo bilang SDO na busisihin yung mga acknowledgement receipts na sinasabi nyo na magpapatunay na tinanggap ng mga recipients yung pera ng taong bayan. Trabaho mo as SDO na busisihin yung mga acknowledgement receipts, hindi po ba?
Trabaho ko po, Your Honor, pero
Mhm.
sa dami-dami po ng acknowledgement receipt, hindi ko po maalala lahat, Your
Yun.
Honor, yung mga ibang detalles kagaya ng mga names, Your Honor. Kasi
And I will help you remember.
Ano ho talaga to, kumbaga, itong proseso na to, wala naman hong inahanap na accountability. Nakikita niyo yung mga side comment nito, siligutan. Ayun. O, parang meron siyang nadidiscover, wala naman nadidiscover.
Member ma. Don't worry.
Oh.
Now, I'm showing you now an itemized confidential expenditures as stated sa accomplishment report nyo for the period December 21 to 31, 2022. Okay, show. Para po matulungan natin si Gina Acosta maalala yung nangyari in 2022. 4 na taon nakalipas. Show this on screen, please. Surveillance and monitoring. That one. the total amount, okay, while it's being shown, in the process of being shown, you will confirm that for an 11-day duration, December 21 to 31, 2022, yung Office of the Vice President nagbayad ng kabuuhang 16 million pesos. Nakasulat sa accomplishment report ninyo, rental of other incidental expenses relative to the maintenance of safe houses. 16 million pesos rental from December 21 to 31. 11 days. Confirm, Madam Acosta. Now this time, naaalala nyo na po ba? Andyan po, oh, rental of other incidental expenses, letter C, 16 million pesos.
Excuse me, Your Honor.
Okay.
Ang binigay po sa akin na utilization po, hindi po kagaya doon, Your Honor.
Okay, sige. Anyways, you look at the document. Accomplishment report. You show it. It's there.
Kasi po, ang sa screen po, nakalagay po, Your Honor, is
Mhm.
132. At ang dito,
Wala ma'am, wala.
po,
Eh,
Your
ma'am,
Honor, is
klaro po ma'am,
127.
oh. December 21 to 31.
Sir,
And then rental, ayan, 16 million pesos. Oh. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. We'll show it to you.
oh.
Yes.
For the record, witness
Nodded.
gave the thumbs up sign, which means
Okay.
yes in the affirmative. Tama, ma'am?
16
Opo.
million. Sorry po, Your Honor.
Same na po ang aking kopya
Mm-mm.
sa screen po, Your Honor.
Okay.
16 million pesos from December 21 to 31, 2022, 11 days. Tanong, hindi niyo po ba masasabi ito ay unconscionable, kasuklam-suklam, or extravagant, or labis-labis?
Objection, Your Honor.
Wait.
Argumentative.
Wait. Not yet done. Nasa circular, trabaho
Attorney
ng COA
Ligotan
tingnan
finish.
kung unconscionable ba or extravagant yung expenses. That's why I'm asking this witness now.
The witness is not from COA, Your Honor.
I'm not. The witness.
Is that, are you
Argumentative.
done, Attorney
Not
Ligotan?
yet, Your Honor. In fact, I'm not yet done with the question, Your Honor. Hindi po ba kasuklam-suklam, labis-labis, in English, unconscionable and extravagant, as mentioned in the circular, for the Office of the Vice President to spend 16 million pesos in 11 days or a total of 1.4 million pesos, hindi nga per month per day.
Now, counsel, Attorney Linden, what
Same
is your
objection,
objection?
Your Honor, with the addition that it's also compound, Your Honor.
What was the first objection, counsel?
It's argumentative, Your Honor.
I will have to overrule it, counsel. Kindly answer the question, ma'am, just with one variation. Unconscionable is not kasuklam-suklam. Mahirap tanggapin, mahirap makonsensya, pero hindi naman kasuklam-suklam ang unconscionable, counsel. With that clarification, witness may answer? Hindi ba nyo nakita?
Sorry po, Your Honor, Hana. I was
Hindi
confused.
ba kayo nahirapang tanggapin na ganong kalaki yung gastusin para sa December 21 to 31 lamang na pagrenta ng mga safe house? Hindi po ba para sa inyo? Katanggap-tanggap po ba yon o hindi?
Ako po, Your Honor, nag-rely po ako sa mga dokumento na binigay sa akin ng security officer, Your Honor. Kasi siya po ang nag-implement doon sa ground, Your Honor. Wala po ako doon, Your Honor. Kasi wala po akong access sa mga security, Your Honor.
So,
Kaya nag-rely po ako sa security officer namin na Sir La Chica, Your
So
Honor.
pag nagsabi nag-rely, inasahan nyo lamang po yung binigay sa inyong fund utilization, kaugnay at kabilang na yung renta na ganyan ang amount. Apo? Umasa
Your
lang kayo
Honor.
sa binigay sa inyong report na 16 million yung renta ng iba't ibang safe house sa loob ng 21 to 31 December.
Yes, Your Honor. Nag-rely po ako sa aming security officer, Your Honor, kasi siya po ang nag-implement, Your Honor.
Okay.
Let me proceed.
Proceed, Counsel.
Let's take a look.
I-part 2 ho natin itong pagtatanong na to ni Liguta na maraming salamat po sa pagsuporta sa PH Update. Mag-ingat po kayong lahat. Mahal natin ang Pilipinas.